On this episode of Turnstile, we're going to see if we can get one of these Skyliners up to 88 miles per hour. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Turnstile. We're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios to check out the new Skyliner. And the reason this is cool for us is because I think since we've been attending the park, the transportation systems have gone relatively unchanged. It's buses, it's boats, and it's monorail, right? So this is exciting because we're getting this all new system, as you can see, that's going to be able to transport us from some of the different locations in the park.
And it's supposed to be quick.
It's supposed to be real quick, and it's supposed to be really comfortable as well. A lot of people were worried about the temperature on the inside, but so far the reviews have been very, very positive, and we're looking to give you our own review today. All right, Marcy, so who are some of the characters you're seeing as they're coming by?
Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And I just realized Scrooge is on the back of that one with Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Next up is the Snow White card.
Yeah, you got some dwarfs.
So you can check out some of the handicap carts can actually swing around here. They can pull over there. Really, really nice that Disney put that together that way. Very cool. Alright, so the first stop when we got off of the Skyliner from Studios is Caribbean Beach. So now I guess we got choices. What are our choices, Jeff? What are our choices here?
Pop Century.
So Pop Century's over this way.
Epcot's that way.
Epcot's that way. So I guess we're going to Pop Century. The line's much smaller for Pop Century, but I'm excited to see the resort. Alright, this is Skyliner number 2.
Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Cool. I always think it's cool when you can see like the hidden places at Disney because so much of it is still like swampland.
This is a bowling pin.
Pretty comfortable, but it does get a little bit warmer when you're not moving.
Yeah.
So you kind of require that breeze to keep yourself cool.
I guess the trips are short enough that's why they decided, like, we don't need it.
Yeah.
We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark here for Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Supervisen a sus niños y absténganse de fumar en cabina. Gracias.
All right, we're getting our first character one of the night. Chewbacca before
You're not good, so don't go bang in front of me.
Enjoy the flight.
Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
So we're not actually getting out on this one. How you doing, sir? What resort is this? What resort is this?
Riviera Station.
Okay, and it's just not open yet, right? Cool. So we're gonna stay inside. See you later.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in
So now the
1969
entrance
when
to
Walt
Caribbean's
Disney
over
World
there.
Resort was first being
That's very
developed.
different from
They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
All right, here we go.
There's no floor.
This is the crazy turn. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's a little bumpy. Making our
Smells like
turn.
Janssen Steakhouse neighborhood.
I know, you're definitely smelling food at this stop. It's awesome.
We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome.
So after a quick stop at Epcot for the Food and Wine Festival, got some delicious drinks, we're jumping back on and heading back to Hollywood Studios.
Boy.
For one of us, you can kind of see it.
I don't think she's done talking as much as true.
Yeah.
So the Caribbean Resort is definitely the main hub of this whole Skyliner thing. You have the option to go to Studios, to Epcot, and over to Pop Century. So you have a lot of options right here from the Caribbean. So it makes it a very, very valuable resort to stay at.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise
Here we
children,
go, ready?
collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
All right, so Jeff said the complete round trip from all the different locations, from here over to Caribbean, over to Pop Century, back to Caribbean, over to Epcot, back to Caribbean, and then back here to Hollywood Studios, ended up being around 48 minutes. So under an hour, we were able to make the entire round trip. Pretty cool. It moves fast. Overall, I think it was pretty cool. What do you think, Marcy?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Excellent.
That's a rating system.
That's a rating system. We'd love to hear what you guys think about the Skyliner when you try it, or if you're excited to actually try it, let us know in the comment section. And we'll talk to you soon.